Listen, when the Most High is orchestrating your life, you can't even think about what your next move is. You don't really have time to understand what your next move is. You're just making moves. And then when you're done making the move, you go back and you look. It's like, yo, this is why I was there. A quick video. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Tony. I haven't been here in a minute. It's been a long while since I posted a video on my YouTube. I'm usually on Instagram. Well, really, I'm not really on social media, but you know, I'm coming back to reintroduce myself. I've been away for about like a year and a half, 2 years, because I've been going to and from Jamaica and just moving like crazy. I'm still not really situated when it comes to like my space and stuff like that, but glory to the Most High. Glory to the Most High. Because without him, trust me, I probably would have gave up a long time. If you've been following me, you know that I was in Jamaica for a bit. And while I was in Jamaica, I was actually going for my real estate license. I took a course while I was down there and it panned out. So I can officially call myself a Realtor Associate of Jamaica under the Keller Williams Jamaica branch or brokerage, and I'm super stoked about it. I just completed their training and it's just like a whole heap of information. I do feel overwhelmed, but I'm overwhelmed with joy because it was a long process up until like now. So it's been a good almost 2.5 going on to 3 years of me going back and forth. I failed one of the exams, so I had to go back to Jamaica and retake the exam, and then I came back and then I had to wait for results. And then when I got the results, I had to go back to Jamaica again to submit my application in person. And I did that in July of 2024. And literally like 2 days ago, this is October 3rd or October 2nd, I just finished my training with Keller Williams, plus all the other stuff I had to do prior, which is registering and paying fees and doing all these things to make sure, you know, the due diligence is up. Father, glory to you, because without you, none of this would have been. And I'm so glad he put me in position in the right time. Listen, when the Most High is orchestrating your life, you can't even think about what your next move is. You don't really have time to understand what your next move is. You're just making moves. And then when you're done making the move, you go back and you look. It's like, yo, this is why I was there. This is why he had me down there for so long, because I had to get this done. This is something I had to do for myself. Why I got my realtor license in Jamaica. Honestly, I like to be around my people. I like to serve my people the best way I can. So with that being said, I want to help you navigate the real estate market of Jamaica, especially the diaspora people, because I was in that position trying to navigate, no one to help me. I travel to and from, but I can still help you facilitate that transaction. I can connect with people in Jamaica on ground to do what it is that I can't do from here. Let's navigate, let's execute to make your dreams come true when it comes to owning something in Jamaica. I'm telling you from my experience financially when it comes to real estate, because I'm telling you, yeah, one of the best decisions. Although I had to sacrifice so much here. Like I had to sell my house here. I literally had to sell my car. Like this thing that happened, we got rid of our house. We decided to just get rid of it, clear up all of our debt, and the rest of the proceeds, we pretty much bought our house in Jamaica. There's a story time behind that. If you want to know more, then just like this video, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to share the ins and outs of that. Got these in the mail today. You know, I got an app. You can even search for houses on my app. And when you click to save them, it comes straight to me. So I know what you're searching. See, we're building to last here, okay? Keller Williams, they know what they're doing. Keller Williams Jamaica, big up yourself.